peeps, it's Suzette from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an AP Maths question on the application of differential calculus. It's an optimization question using the exponential function base E, and it's taken from the 2019 IB Paper 1. Now we are given the function y equal to e to the power of minus x, which makes this pair of coordinates x and e to the minus x. Which means if we want to work out this area, which is what we are trying to maximize, we can describe that area as a product of base times by the height, because that's the y value. So that's e to the minus x. Now to be able to work with a maximum, we need the derivative of a with respect to x. And we have a product, so we're going to use the product rule. So the derivative of x is 1 times the e to the minus x plus x times the derivative of e to the minus x, and not to forget about the derivative of minus x, which is then minus 1. And so if we tidy that up, we get e to the minus x minus x e to the minus x. And when we're working out a maximum or a minimum, we make our derivative equal to 0, and we're going to solve for x. So we can factorize e to the minus x, leaving us with 1 minus x equal to 0, which means that x is equal to 1, or e to the minus x is equal to 0. Now that can't happen, because e to the minus x is not going to pass through the x-axis at all. So that one has no solution. So x is equal to 1 is going to be our solution here. We're not finished though. It does say calculate the maximum area. So we've got the x value where this maximum occurs, but the area itself occurs when x is 1. So if we work that out, e to the minus 1 on our calculator gives us 0,368, and in this question they asked for 3 decimal places, and we are working with an area, so we could say this is units squared for an area. Okay, before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.